Hello students, we have already completed this lesson. Now in this lesson, we will just discuss the question answers which are given in your textbook. So let us discuss with question 1. Question first. Why did the dog feel the need for a master? So at the beginning, I told you that there was a dog who was very sick and tired of wandering in search of food, and he was frightened of other animals who were more stronger than him. So that is why he felt the need for a master. Next question. Who did he first choose as his master? Why did he leave that master? So who did he choose as his first master? He chose a big, strong and fierce wolf as his master, and he left the wolf because he saw that the bear was he left the wolf because he saw that the bear was more stronger than the wolf, and that is why he left the wolf, and he asked the bear to be his master. Next question. Who did he choose next? So after wolf, who did he choose? He chose the bear to be his next master. Question number 4. Why did he serve the lion for a long time? He served the lion for a long time because the more lion was more stronger animal in the forest, and no one dared to touch dog, and no one dared to even offend the dog. So the dog was very happy. That is why he served the lion for a long time. Last question. Who did he finally choose as his master and why? So the dog finally chose man as his master because one day he realized that the lion was afraid of man, as the dog wanted to serve someone who was the most powerful and stronger than anyone on earth. So that is why the dog chose man as his master. Okay, so here now we will discuss the question B. So in this question B is very simple. Here just they have provided you the summary of your whole this lesson. Okay, in this table they have provided you some words. They have provided you some words and some phrases. So what you have to do, you have to just uh, choose the correct word or phrase and you have to put it in the blank. Okay, so here already answer is provided. So it's very simple. If you have understood the lesson, uh, if you have understood the whole lesson, then it is very easy. It's like just a story. It's just a story in summary form. Okay, it's it's just a summary of the whole lesson. Okay, now let us discuss with next question, working with language. So students, in this question here they have provided you some word. Those words are the group of something. So here let us discuss first. A dash dash of ships. So what do we call the group of ships? So we call fleet to the group of ships. A dash dash of flowers. So what do we call the group of flowers? A bunch of flower. So here some filling the blanks are there. You have to just choose the proper word from these words. So see here: school, fleet, brood, bundle, bunch, pack, flock and herd. Okay, from this you have to choose the correct word and you have to fill it in the blanks. So this is very simple, so we will not discuss this. We will discuss this question because it is based on a grammar. Okay, so students, in this question what you have to do, they have provided you some adjectives. Okay, they have provided you some 12 adjectives like honest, kind, cruel, calm, sad, active, creative, sincere, cheerful, bitter and sensitive and great. So all these are adjectives, and what we have to do here, we have to just make the noun forms from these adjectives. Okay, we have to make the nouns from these adjectives. So even they have provided you some suffixes. With the help of these suffixes, we have to make the noun forms from the adjectives. So what kind of suffixes they have provided? See here, dash nes, nes, or dash ity, or dash ty, or dash y. Okay, so we have to use these four suffixes. With the help of these four suffixes, we have to make the nouns from the adjectives. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to choose any one suffix from these four, and we have to uh, put it after the adjective. Okay, at the last, at the end of the adjective. So first word is honest. So which suffix will you choose from these four suffixes, nes, ity, ty, or y? Which one you will choose? So here dash ty is the correct suffix. Okay, so honest is the adjective and honesty is the noun form. Okay, so we have chosen the ty suffix. Honest is the now adjective, and from that we have made honesty is a adjective. Okay, sorry, we have made honesty is a noun form. Next, kind is the adjective, and kindness is its noun form. Okay, from kind adjective we have made kindness as noun. Okay, so we have chosen the nes, nes suffix. Okay, next, cruel is the adjective, and from that we have made cruelty as a noun form. Okay, so we have chosen the ty suffix. Okay, after that, calm is the adjective, calmness is a noun form. Sad is the adjective, sadness is a noun form. Active is the adjective, and activity is the activity is the noun form. Creative is the adjective, and creativity is the noun form. So we are just choosing some correct suffix from these four suffix, and we are making the noun forms from the adjective. Okay, active, activity; creative, creativity; sincere, sincerity; cheerful, cheerfulness; bitter, bitterness; sensitive, sensitivity; great, greatness. Okay, so students, here our this exercise, this discussion of question answer is completed. So now you are expected to write all these question answers in your classwork notebook. Okay, so I will provide you this pdf on our online school group. So you have to just write down all the answers, everything as it is. This language is very easy to understand. Okay, so write down everything as it is. Just there is one small correction. Just listen carefully, students. Here in question number 4, question 4 is, why did he serve the lion for a long time? Okay, so in answer here there is a printing mistake. He served. Here there should be a he served. D should be there. served, but here d is missing because of printing mistake. So while writing answer, just correct it. Okay, he served, d should be there, no? served. Okay, d is missing. But you know why served should be there, why not serve? Because the question is in past, simple past tense. Whenever the question is in simple past, so you must write the answer in simple past only. So now how will you know the question is in simple past? So students, whenever the helping verb did, whenever the question is framed with the helping verb did, okay, so you must know that this question is asked in simple past. So while writing the answers, what you have to do, you have to just after subject we have to use the V2 of the main verb. So we will just discuss this question so that you will understand. So listen this question: who did he choose next? Okay, so listen here, did is helping verb is did, that is why this question is asked in simple past. So while writing answer, what you have to do, so in this same question you have to first identify the main verb. So what is the main verb? Did is helping verb and he choose is the main verb. Okay, so this choose is in its first form, this is the V1 form of the verb. Okay, so while writing answer, what you have to do, so you have to write the answer in simple past. Means what, you have to write the subject, after subject you have to make the, you have to write the V2 form of the main verb, means past form of the main verb. So what is the main verb in question? Choose is the main verb. So while writing the answer we have to write the second form of the main verb, that is the chose. Chose is the past form of the choose. Okay, that is why he chose. Okay, so in every question that this is the rule of the grammar. So even in other questions also you will get this. You can see this question first: why did the dog feel the need of a master? So here also question is asked with did helping verb. So this is the question is this question is asked in simple past tense. Okay, so here which is the main verb? Why did is the helping verb and feel is the main verb. So while writing the answer, what we have to do, we have to do we have to write the answer in simple past. So the dog is the subject and felt is the past form of the feel. Okay, so we have made the past form of the feel, so that is why it is felt. The dog felt. In any question you check, everywhere you will find this rule is used in every question. Okay, okay, so here our this question answer session is completed. Now you are expected to write down all the question answers in your classwork notebook. I am going to check your classwork notebooks anytime. Okay, so we will stop here. Bye, have a great day.